I used to spend entire weekends playing video games, often playing for 10 hours a day and doing nothing else with my life. It was fun in the moment, but afterwards I felt tired, anxious, and like I had wasted a large amount of time. Eventually I replaced gaming with coding, and it improved my life dramatically. In this video I'll share the lessons I learned from my journey so you can do the same. I used to be addicted to video games. I'd complete entire games in a couple of days, easily spending over 10 hours a day on The Last of Us or Zelda or some other single player game. I'd feel terrible, have anxiety, and of course a lot of back pain. Coding on the other hand feels incredible. It doesn't offer the cheap dopamine of video games. Instead it offers dopamine that you actually deserve by working on a real skill. Coding is meaningful, interesting, and might even make you rich. Though just like video games, it does cause back pain. I am happy to report that I have a much healthier relationship with video games these days than I used to. I haven't played a single video game since Christmas, not because I'm not allowed to, but because I haven't felt the desire to. Instead, I normally spend my free time coding or making videos, so let me walk you through how I swapped games for coding, so you can do the same. The first point I'd like to make is called Get Angry with Video Games. If you're watching this video, you're probably fed up with gaming and want to get rid of it for now. So let's establish why video games are bad for us. They take up so much time that we would rather spend on something more productive. You and I both have at least a couple video games that we have spent over 1,000 hours on. What else could we have done with all that time? Video games reduce our productivity. After long gaming sessions, we experience lower motivation, mental fatigue, and difficulty focusing. It's also easy to get addicted to video games. Rewards, ranking systems, and progression loops are all ways in which video games are designed to be addictive. Now that we've given video games some hate, it's time to show coding some love. Coding is way better for us than playing video games, and it's a great replacement because there are so many similarities. Games constantly give you problems to solve, like puzzles, optimizing builds, and such. Coding does the same thing, but in a different way. As a coder, you'll be fixing bugs, designing logic, and solving algorithms. It's problem solving just like in video games, just way better. And when you finally get something working, it feels rewarding in the same way completing a difficult level in a video game does, except now you've developed a skill. I'd like to offer you some hope. The same brain that loves gaming can love coding. It happened to me, so it can happen to you. The traits that make someone a heavy gamer, like persistence, good problem-solving ability, and a willingness to retry after failure, are the exact traits that make someone an excellent coder. Coding can trigger the same reward loop you're already used to, and offers progression in the same way as video games do. Watching your very own project grow into something useful is a way better life experience than playing a video game. The beginning of your transition will be the hardest part. Games are designed to be fun instantly, whereas coding takes a little time before it becomes satisfying. But it can become surprisingly addictive over time, and it will get easier. And the goal isn't even to quit video games entirely, but to strike a nice balance in life and minimize excessive video gaming. Coding is an excellent replacement because it still involves time in front of the computer, and it allows you to create your own projects and build a valuable skill, which will give you a real sense of accomplishment. And if you'd like to get started right away by learning how to program things for yourself faster than anywhere else while having a good time, then check out my Speedy Python Fast Track course linked in the video description.